If you follow this channel at all, you know that I teach people how to earn college degrees faster, but we're normally talking about bachelor's degrees. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to hack or accelerate a master's degree. I've seen people earn master's degrees in like as little as 3 months, which is crazy because it normally takes 2 to 3 years. Now, here's the thing. There's some catches. There aren't as many opportunities for accelerated master's degrees as there are for accelerated bachelor's degrees. But in this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 different schools that actually will allow you to go at your own pace so that you can accelerate your master's degree. Now, if you want to learn more about earning college degrees faster, just subscribe to the channel, but let's jump over. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, there are actually a couple different ways to accelerate college degrees. Number one, you can earn third-party credits through CLEP exams and sophia.org and study.com and StraighterLine and a whole bunch of other resources. Earn a bunch of college credit through these third parties and then transfer them over to universities. It's not my preferred or favorite method, but a lot of people do it. It's popular. And the second method is going to universities that offer competency-based education programs where they allow you to go at your own pace within the school and then hacking college within those programs. Now, when it comes to master's degrees, the first option that I told you about, the third parties, that you can't even really do that with master's degrees because most of these third parties don't offer the right classes for the master's programs. And most of these master's programs, they don't accept all these transfer credits. So the option is down to finding schools that offer programs where you can go at your own pace. But here's the catch. There are a ton of programs like this for bachelor's degrees, but not a ton for master's degrees. So I want to walk you through, let's jump over to my screen and I'll walk you through the programs that you can do this with. Now, the first school I want to go into is Purdue University Global, and they only have a couple. They have more bachelor's degree options, but if we go into degree programs, let's go here to business. Now, if we go through their different offerings, okay, these are like major offerings or study offerings. Accounting, they have like a Bachelor of Science and a Master of Science. But if we look here at their business admin degrees, you'll see here they have a Bachelor of Science. They have an MBA, a Master of Business Administration. But then they also have this Excel Track Bachelor of Science and Excel Track Master of Business Administration. These Excel Track programs are 100% self-paced. So you can go through the programs really quickly if you play your cards right. You have to follow the right process and things like that, but they allow you to go at your own pace, okay? Now, if we go through all their different degree categories here, I'll let you sort through these on your own time. But another one that I noticed, they've got nursing programs. They have an Excel Track Masters of Science, okay? So Master of Science in nursing would be, it's called an MSN. So they have that as well. Go through here and see if they have others. Now, the next school I want to talk about is Walden University. This isn't as well known, but they offer this tempo learning program for a number of different degrees. And tempo learning is their name for competency-based education, or the ability to pace your degree at however quickly you can go through. Now, if we scroll down here, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to pay like $3,000 every 3 months, and you're going to graduate as quickly as you can. So if you graduate in 3 months, it's $3,000, 6 months, it's $6,000, and so on. But if we scroll down, if we go into programs offered, they actually have a few to choose from. They got a bunch of bachelor's degrees, but we'll go into their masters. They have a Master of Science in Early Childhood Studies, some nursing programs, okay, the MSN programs with specialties, nurse executive, nurse education, nurse informatics. They have a Master of Science in Criminal Justice. They have an MHA, a Master of Healthcare Administration. Industrial Organizational Psychology, which is pretty cool. They have a Master of Science there, an MS in Psychology. So they got a decent handful. They don't have everything, okay? But they got a decent handful. Now, the next one I want to talk about is Capella. If we go into their degree and program offerings, master's degrees, business, And let's just do traditional MBA. What you want to look for, we're going to scroll down here, and right here, you can see an MBA in FlexPath or guided path. FlexPath is their competency-based education program, so you can go at your own pace. So you're going to go through these degree offerings, you're going to go through master's degrees, and you can go through each of these and see if on the specific degree page that they have this FlexPath availability. Now, here's the thing. I don't love Capella as a school. Okay, they just don't have the best reputation, which I don't love. But if they're the only school that has your major or your master's degree offering, it still could be a lot better than spending 3 years in school. Maybe that's not an option for you. Now, the last one I want to show you, they have way more offerings than these other schools, and you don't have to look for anything particular. Like Purdue was the Excel track, and then Tempo Learning at Walden, and FlexPath at Capella. Western Governors University, WGU, all their degrees are competency-based and self-paced. So they've got 4 different categories of degrees: business, IT, health and nursing, or education. And they've got master's programs for all of them. So for business, we'll go to their master's programs. You can say they got MBA, management and leadership, healthcare management, marketing, accounting, an IT, an MBA in IT, HR management, data analytics, information technology management. Education one would be learning experience and design and educational technology, and a Master of Health Administration. But if we go through here, there's like this little drop down. It's going to make it easier for us to sort. For IT, okay, they got a number of masters in IT, okay. Health and nursing, the right column, a number of masters in nursing, okay. Education as well. They've got master's degrees for teachers and licensure prep programs. But seriously, like a master's in science education or English or math, they have a lot of offerings. So here's the thing. These are the schools that I know of that have these accelerated paths or these self-paced paths for master's programs. Now, choosing the right school does not mean you're going to graduate in 3 months, okay? These schools don't actually teach you how to accelerate in a matter of months. They give you like the course material and textbooks and homework assignments and all the normal stuff, but they say do it at your own pace. Well, on this channel, I teach how to hack college, and I teach the actual process that you can follow to do this. So what I'm going to do is in the description down below, like if you're on your smartphone, click the video title and it'll pop open the description. I'll leave a link to my degree hacking tutorial so you can go through and learn more about how to actually do this. But these are the programs that offer accelerated or self-paced master's programs or master's degrees. And I've seen people get master's degrees in as little as 3 months. For students that have worked with me, the longest I've seen any of my students take with master's degrees is about 12 months. So that's significantly faster. The national average is closer to 3 years for a master's degree. So master's degrees are hackable. You can do them faster if you're willing to put the time in and study hard. It's so much faster than being in a traditional master's degree program. So I hope you've loved this video. If you have, just click the like button. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. I will talk to you in the next video.